Hello guys and welcome on control panel overview of washer Miele 125. So there we have a knob to turn on off your appliance or select the program. There we have the button to set the delay and the arrows to set the time. By this button you can start your laundry. There we have a cap dosing buttons. The first one is in capsule dosing of textile care products, for example the fabric softener function. The next one is a capsule dosing of detergent additives, for example the detergent intensifiers. And the last one, capsule dosing of detergent only for main wash. There we have the anti-wrinkle settings. This feature is for a shorter the time of your laundry. There we have the twin dose buttons, the spin speed and temperature. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment and goodbye.